over again, you're gonna get your body more pliable, and then you'll be able to stretch a little bit deeper and a little bit deeper every day. So hold yourself over to one side. We're gonna take 3 full breaths. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Very nice. That little bounce feels really good. Come on over to the other side. Hold it. 3 breaths. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. One more deep breath in and out. Nice. Go ahead and come and hold center. I'm going to turn to the side to see what's going on a bit better. Let's come into a frog position, but with the toes touching or close to touching. And you're gonna sit back, and then you're gonna bring it forward. Sitting back and